In this lecture, we will learn about the OSI 7-layer model. Network models attempt to represent the major functions of computer networking and the roles that they play. The OSI 7-layer model is one of the two most popular networking models. The other is TCP/IP, which we will learn about in the next lecture. Each layer of the 7-layer model represents an important function in computer networking. The 7 layers of the OSI 7-layer model are physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation, and application. Layer 1 is the physical layer, and involves all of the physical components of the network. These physical components move data from one place to another. Examples include cabling and hubs. Note that radio waves, since they move data from one system to another, are technically considered part of the physical layer. Layer 2 is the data link layer, and defines the rules for accessing the physical layer. Layer 2 of the OSI model can be further divided into two sublayers, MAC and LLC. MAC stands for Media Access Control, and controls access to the physical layer. It encapsulates data sent from the system, and decapsulates data retrieved from the system. LLC stands for Logical Link Control, and is responsible for ordered delivery of frames. Layer 3 is the network layer. It deals with logical addressing, and adds unique identifiers, such as IP addresses, to packets so that it ensures that they go to the correct system. Layer 4 is the transport layer, and breaks up data into smaller pieces for transport. It also adds sequencing information to the pieces of data, so that the retrieving computer can correctly reassemble the data. Layer 5 is the session layer. It controls everything having to do with sessions, including starting a session, accepting an incoming session, and closing a session. Layer 6 is the presentation layer, and controls formatting the data so that the retrieving computer system can understand it. Layer 7, the application layer, deals with the set of tools that can be used by programs to access the network. These programs work with the computer programs that the user interacts with. In the next lecture, we will learn about the rival networking model to the OSI 7-layer model, the TCP/IP model.